Hey everyone! Today we're setting up the TP-Link Kasa Outdoor Smart Plug EP40. This incredible little device costs just $26.99 and lets you turn outdoor appliances on and off from your phone. Let's get started. First, let's check what came in the box. You'll find the main smart plug with two standard outlets, the documentation, and a helpful mounting bracket if you want to secure it to your wall or post. Everything you need is right here. Now, let's find the perfect spot. The EP40 is IP64 rated, meaning it's dust and splash resistant. But keep it away from heavy rain or direct water spray. Choose a convenient location near your outdoor appliances. Then plug it into your outlet. That's it for the hardware setup. Time for the app. Head to your phone's app store and search for Kasa. Download the official TP-Link app. If you don't have an account yet, create one. It takes just a minute. Once you're logged in, you're ready to add your smart plug. Open the Kasa app and tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select Smart Plug and choose the EP40. The app will guide you through connecting to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're using a 2.4 GHz network for best results. Then follow the prompts. Once connected, you've got incredible control. Turn each outlet on or off individually from the app. Set schedules to automatically turn devices on at sunrise or off at bedtime. You can even create routines, like turning on your outdoor lights when you get home. Want voice control? Open your Alexa app. Go to Devices, and enable the Kasa Smart Plug skill. Link your Kasa account, and you're done. Now just say, Alexa, turn on the outdoor plug, and watch the magic happen. It's that easy. There you have it. Your TP-Link Kasa Outdoor Smart Plug is now fully set up and ready to go. If this tutorial helped, please smash that like button and subscribe for more smart home guides. What will you control first? Let me know in the comments.